Path Traversal vulnerabilities let attackers navigate outside intended directories by manipulating file paths. In this example, we have a simple directory tree structure, where the admin panel.php page of our test application is vulnerable to Path Traversal. This page is stored in the web app directory, while in the neighboring learning directory, there is a secrets.txt file that should be protected. An attacker who is currently located in admin panel page could retrieve the secrets.txt file by manipulating the file path in the URL. He can change /admin-panel.php to something like /learning/secrets.txt to navigate up one level from web app and then down into the learning directory to grab that sensitive file. If the application filters out the literal //sequence, attackers can bypass this protection using URL encoded versions like %20f or %20e, 20e, %20f, which the server will decode back into the traversal sequence. These encoding tricks are especially useful when dealing with web application firewalls or basic input sanitization that only blocks the plaintext version of Path Traversal attempts.